I have to write a program to input a number and reverse it by using the while loop. Here this is a program. First of all, I include all the header files iostream.h, then conio.h, then after that void main, then clr for clearing the screen. Then I initialize the three variables by int here num d1 and d2, and the value of d2 is to be initialized to be the 0. Then cout the statement, enter a number. Then after that we send the number. Then using the while loop we use the condition num is not equal to 0. Then using the braces, then after that d1 is equal to num modulus 10, d2 is equal to d2 multiplied by 10 plus d1, and then num is equal to num slash 10, then close the braces, and then after that cout is equal cout reverse number is d2. After I get ch and program. Here I don't know whether this program is correct or not. Then I use the dry run. Here suppose we have taken the value of num is to be the 163. Then the 163 is initialized to be the in the num. Then after that we send the number. After that 163 is not equal to 0, that condition is true. Then d1 is equal to num modulus 10, modulus gives the remainder. Then the value of d1 is equal to be the 3, and then the value of d2, here the value of d2 is to be initialized with the 0. After that d2 multiplied by 10, which means that 0 multiplied by 10 is to be the 0 plus d1. Then the value of d2 is equal to be 3. Then num is equal to num slash 10, where slash gives the remainder, slash gives the quotient. Then the value of num is equal to 16. After that the loops ends. Then it goes out to the loop where 16 is not equal to 0, that condition is also true. After that it enters into the loop. d1 is equal to num modulus 10, where the value of d1 is to be the 6. After that d2 is equal to d2 multiplied by 10 plus d1. Here we know that the value of d2 is to be 3. Then 3 multiplied by 10, which means that 30 plus d1, which means that the value of d2 is to be 36. After that num is equal to num slash 10, the value of the num is to be the 1. After that the braces is to be closed. And after that it again goes to the loop where 1 is not equal to 0, that condition is also true. Then it enters into the loop. d1 is equal to num modulus 10, which means that when we divide it by 10, then is to be the 0. Then it gives the remainder 1. Then the value of d1 is to be the 1. After that d2 is equal to d2 multiplied by 10, where the value of d2 is to be 36. Then 36 multiplied by 10, which means 360 plus d1, that means the value of d1 is to be the 1. Then it gives the value of d2 is to 361. After that the num is equal to num slash 10, where slash gives the quotient. Here the quotient is to be the 0. Then the value of num is to be the 0. That int again goes to above the loop where 0 is not equal to 0, that condition is false. So it will out of the loop, and the reverse number is 361.